In this video, we will discuss about the different types of assignment operators. To assign values to variables, we use the assignment operators. Let's check the different assignment operators. Assignment operator equals to. It assign value of right side of expression to left side operand. Plus equals, also known as plus and. It add right side operand with left side operand and then assign to left operand. Minus equals, also known as subtract and. It subtracts right operand from left operand and then assign to left operand. Multiple equals, also known as multiply and. It multiply right operand with left operand and then assign to left operand. Divide equals, also known as divide and. It divide left operand with right operand and then assign to left operand. Mod equals, also known as modulus and. It takes modulus using left and right operands and assign the result to left operand. Floor divide equal, also known as floor divide and. It divide left operand with right operand and then assign the value, floor, to left operand. Exponent equal, also known as exponent and. It calculate exponent value using operands and assign value to left operand. Let's test the assignment operators using a program. In the program, two variables are initialized as variable A equals 20 and variable B equals 4. Using the plus operator, A equals A plus B, print statements is added to print the value of A. Once executed, it prints the value as 14. This statement can be rewritten as A plus equals B. This is equivalent to the previous statement and will return the same output as 14. Testing minus operator as A minus equals B. This is equivalent to equal to A minus B. When executed, it prints the value of variable A as 6. Testing multiplication operator as A multiplication equals B. This is equivalent to A equals to A multiplied by B. Testing division operator as A divided by equals B. This is equivalent to A equals to A divided by B. When executed, it prints the value of variable A as 2.5. Testing double division operator as A divided by equals B. This is equivalent to A equals to A divided by B. Double division returns the floor value or the quotient value on division. When executed, it prints the value of variable A as 2. To have more clarify on the output, as the quotient and remainder are both same, changing the value of x to 11. Now the quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 3. When executed, it prints the value as 2. Testing exponential operator as A exponential equals B. This is equivalent to A equals to A exponential B. When executed, It prints the value of variable a as 10k. As 10 is multiplied by itself 4 times, that is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 equals 10,000. So, these were the different ways in which we can use the assignment operators in Python.